my 4th home visit appointment.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
So if you or someone you love is coming home after a total hip replacement, a home health visit is designed to help you recover safely at home, prevent complications, and regain
Preparing for
mobility.
summer.
Yes.
Let's do it.
A physical therapist will help with everyday stuff like safely getting into and out of the car with a walker.
Remember to want to keep that left leg full a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Just squeeze it. And now you can bend your knee. Yeah, you can bend your knee. It's okay. You're okay. You're not going to full extension. But you did it without any help.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, you pull up. There you go. Just like that. You can get it in the car now. Super easy.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Ciao, ciao, arrivederci.